Morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn EVS, living and non-living things. First, we will introduce with living and non-living things. What is living and non-living things, and what is the pictures of living and non-living things. See the pictures of living and living things. Human being, plants, bacteria, animals, reptiles, insects, trees, fungus, birds. What is a living thing? A living thing can move, a living thing can grow, a living thing can change, a living thing can make more of its own kind, reproduce. A living thing has need air, water, food and shelter. People, animal and plant are living things. Now we will see the pictures of non-living things. Ball, car, clock, book. Non-living things do not eat food, do not grow, do not breathe and do not have babies. Now we will start the lesson. Living and non-living things. Introduction. Environment is made up of living and non-living things. Environmental, we have seen the before lessons also. These are made up of living and non-living things. सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें living and non-living things. Both of them depend on each other for surviving. We are depend on each other. We see different types of objects around us. They are different shapes, size. They have different features also. According to features, they are broadly categorized into two groups. Which are they? First one living things and second one non-living things. Living things. Human beings, animals and plants are living things. Living things eat food and drink water. See in the picture, boy is eating, and third picture, a boy is drinking water. Living thing can breathe. Living things feel hot and cold. See the middle picture. This boy is taking a breath because living thing can breathe. Living thing can walk and run. See the down picture. A boy is walking and running. Living thing reproduce their own kind. See in the picture, babies are having the animals having their own babies. Twist your brain. Tree is a living thing, but fruits are non-living things. Okay, this is the tree. Tree is a living thing, but fruits are non-living things. Non-living things, the things which cannot move, hear, breathe, eat food and reproduce are called non-living things. See the picture. Ball, duck game, book, stone and paper and polythene bag. Non-living things are divided into two groups. Natural things, sun, moon, water, hill, etc. are found in nature. So they are called natural things. Artificial things. Man-made things are called artificial things. Car, bus, scooter, clothes, furniture, paper, pen, etc. are artificial things. This train, pen, pencil, eraser, paper and scooter. Difference between living and non-living things. Living things, they need food, they breathe, they need water, they can move, they can feel, they can reproduce. And non-living things, they do not need food, they do not breathe, they do not need water, they cannot move, they cannot feel, they cannot reproduce. Valuable tips. Our environment is made up of two things, living and non-living things. Living things need food, air and water. Living things breathe, feel, reproduce. Non-living things have not such features. The things are found in nature are called natural things. Man-made things are called artificial things. Thank you students. We will meet on next lecture.